Hi, I'm Dana Ritchie, owner of Paladin ID. Welcome to our Flexible Packaging Ribbons page, also known as TTO. Are you tired of high minimum order quantities forced on you by major companies like Videojet, Markham Image, or Bellmark, etc.? I'm betting you're watching this video because you're not sure of where to start or have questions. Did you know that over 90% of companies do not know the exact type of ribbon they are using? It makes it difficult when trying to find a ribbon to solve a problem. Just know that we are here to help. You can call me personally with any questions. Let's get started. Because we're talking about flexible packaging ribbons on this page, you need to realize there are several considerations in selecting the right solution for your unique needs. For example, does your application call for paper, polypropylene, polyester film, or you're not sure? How long does the packaging have to last? What conditions will these printer ribbons endure during their life? Heat, cold, moisture, sun, chemicals? These questions address what packaging material is appropriate. Once we understand that, we can move forward to select the correct flexible packaging ribbon for your application. We are experts in thermal transfer flexible packaging ribbons. Give us a call at 888-972-5234 or email us to discuss your packaging application. If you know what flexible packaging ribbons you need, please browse our wide selection of ribbons in the link below. In either case, we hope to hear from you soon.